Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find all of the bubbles for this week's bubble rotation in Heartopia. So the first one, you're going to go to the Onsen Mountain area in the stone cliff part. Here's where it is on the map, and that is where your first bubble is going to be. Then you're just going to drive to the umbrella spot next to the bus stop, and here is where it is on the map. Next, go to the ruins area, and you're just going to climb on top of this capybara statue, and you'll find your third bubble, and here is where it is on the map. Then you are going to drive to flower fields, and you'll find the fourth bubble on top of the stone thing, and you just have to jump to it. And you'll find the next bubble on top of the umbrellas, the cafe umbrellas, I guess, which is here. You'll then find the next bubble on those railings, and it's going to be here on the map. Next, go to this bridge over here, and you'll find the next bubble, and again, here is where it is on the map. Drive to where Massimo is, and you'll find another bubble underneath the archway. Then you're going to want to teleport to the fishing village, and you'll find the bubble near where the otters are. Then you're going to go to the east fishing village, and you'll find another bubble near Marlin. Is that her name? I don't remember, but here is where it is on the map. You will then see another bubble on top of the giant wood river bridge over here. Then you're going to go to the jump puzzle area, and again you'll find another bubble here on this map. Then go to the very end of the jump puzzle area near the beach, and you'll find another bubble, and again here is where it is on the map. Head over to the deer tower and go to this camping area, and you'll find another bubble here. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!